With the roads so crowded and more people commuting, pedestrian safety is of utmost importance. Motorists must be aware of pedestrians on all roadways in order to keep everyone safe. It's important for both drivers and pedestrians alike to understand their rights and responsibilities when using public roads. The road laws are in place to protect individuals from getting injured due to vehicle-pedestrian collisions. To reduce these occurrences, it is essential for each party to recognize their role in traffic safety. Motorists should always be on the lookout for pedestrians crossing or walking along a street, allowing them ample time and space to pass safely by. Pedestrians should look both ways before crossing any street or roadway, yielding right-of-way when appropriate and using designated walkways whenever possible.
Teen driver safety is an important issue, and getting to school safely should always be a priority for teenage drivers. With the new school year upon us, it's essential for teens and their parents to review some important tips that can help keep them safe on the roads. First, teens should always follow all traffic laws and obey posted speed limits, especially when driving in populated areas near schools. Additionally, teens should avoid using their phone while driving, as this significantly increases their risk of a crash or violation. Furthermore, they should also plan ahead and give themselves plenty of time to get to school so they don't feel rushed or tempted to speed. Finally, teen drivers should ensure that their vehicle is maintained properly with regular oil changes and brake inspections, as having well-maintained brakes can help reduce the chances of a crash.
When it comes to teen drivers, there are a few extra safety tips you should consider to ensure your child's safety as they hit the road. While teaching teens how to drive safely is a must, it's also important for parents to provide additional resources and guidance on how to stay safe behind the wheel. First and foremost, make sure your teen driver understands the importance of wearing their seatbelt at all times. Seatbelts can be lifesavers in case of an accident or another dangerous situation on the road. Additionally, explain why it's necessary to avoid distractions such as cell phones while driving. Teach them about other distractions like loud music that could take their focus off of the road as well.